have no idea. No, I need some more medicine. I need some cough medicine. I can't afford it. It's like $6 in here. Yes, man. I feel like I have to get so much, and I never have enough to get what I need. It's irritating. No, not at all. My son is on the spectrum. They're awesome. Oh. Okay. I'm back. I got just a couple more minutes. I gotta get off here. Wow. Oh, shit. Whoa. I know, isn't it irritating? The hell? Try not to cough myself to life, to craziness. Oh. I'm about to go to this gas station, guys. If anybody else can help out with anything, it'd be great. If you can't. But have a wonderful night, guys. Oh, shit. I'm gonna try and go get me some cough medicine and stuff. Shit, man. Oh, freaking I am coughing like crazy. Is this guy yelling?